Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. This is part 2 of a doll haul I recently got on a Friday. We stumbled into a garage sale. What you hear in the background is our puppy, 9 weeks old, running through the house with toys, which is okay. She's quiet right now. These are some dolls that I found at a garage sale. First, I found Elsa. I was pretty happy to find her. I just touched her somewhere and she, not even sure where I touched her, but she started talking. Well, she's on.
Hi, I'm Elsa. There is a great power in each of us.
There is a great power. And she is articulated in the hands and shoulders, and I mean, even her knees bend. I really like this doll. I wanted one when they came out last year at Christmas, but they're so expensive. I got this doll. She was marked. Now I've got some work to do on her for sure. I was happy to see her dress, but I'll probably make her something else. She did not come with shoes, but I'm thinking that's a baby size 2. I'm gonna look at it. I'm thrilled. I'm gonna make her, clean her up and make her a dress perhaps, but look at that, she works. So she was marked $10. And then they had this Luva, and does she work or not? I don't know because, let's see, she has an off button. They had batteries in her, but one was corroded. But the battery holder has no corrosion in it at all. So we probably found it just in time. We will check her later. She takes 4 C batteries. She needs a good cleanup is what she needs. And then they had these. And all but one, sit up, sweetheart. All but one, okay, you wanna lay down? Let's put your legs down. All right. All but one is missing, or all but one hand is missing. And this one's missing the arm. And Darren went back and this one's on the wrong hand. This is why I do not like removable hands. This is what always happens. Either this joint gets worn and they fall out, or they just get lost, which is such a shame. But I bought them anyway because I got this whole lot of 5 for $12. I would have paid that for the Elsa. I was really tickled. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 3. I have some other dolls that I also got that week, and I'd like to show them off. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.